you need to check how they edit, how they work. Super professional.
Smile, yeah.
Subscribe sa yung channel, guys.
Subscribe, guys.
Go. Hi guys, good morning. So today it's already 6 a.m. and I'm going to a makeup gig together with Miss Maika. So super excited and tingnan natin kung ano yung mangyayari dun sa set, guys. So yung venue namin is papunta ng Pardo, Cute Pardo. So early akong nag-wake up 4:30 a.m. and then ngayon nagtataksi ako papunta dun. So, I just arrived sa Cute Pardo, guys. Layuan ako na today. So excited kaya makita rin Maika. Amazing! That's Maika! Mag-lighting na! Wala mong boss today.
Boss today.
Kalingaw. Upload daw eh. Wala upload ka mag-liquid naman ka kasi mo set.
Wala na. Kapuyo na mo. Wala na check time.
Donia, guys. Donia.
Soon.
Subscribe sa yung channel, guys.
Subscribe, guys.
Maika.
Mami Maika.
Mami Maika.
Yes.
Taga na kayong mami karon.
Basta mami.
Lagi,
oh,
basta.
Lagi.
Guys, so we just arrived sa location. Awa, nice kayo nga rin. Ganahan ko na niyo, guys. Ganahan ko na rin. Ganahan ko ganang. Basta. Oh, behind the scene, guys.
Oh, sakto na, Ans. Paborang yung hair dito para makita yung feature mo kapawa.
Guys, we're starting na. Behind the scene.
Kato yung relax na kuan, Ans. Kanay nga na, smile, yeah. Pero mura kang sick. Actually,
Model today.
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys. Di ba? Sakto! Hindi ko niya.
Di pa ma-judge yung padong. Dari ka, ayun.
So, while waiting for everything to be cleared up, guys, narami sa kilid. Muna mong kuan. Production manager. Yes. And the owner of Gailcast. Hello, ma. Lagi, si Miss Mikey. Grabe, nakita me. And the Kazuma Masters. Right now we're having a photo shoot. Not photo shoot, but product shoot. Hello, sir. One of our cameraman, mga cameraman behind the scenes.
The
and
clapper.
the clapper.
The clapper. The literal clapper. Literal clapper.
Literal clapper. And the wrong among Blondie pareha na ko kunuhay. Staff at Kazuma. Manager ni. Tara, production. Oh, Laisyo Miss Maika. Mao na siyang na busy, guys. Wala na i-upload kay na. Busy na ka-stand. Tapos Miss Mikey, I was surprised. Marketing sa Huawei and Aerophone. Si Hans nga nagsigkatawa. Clapper model.
Sing. 3, 2, 1. In. Okay, out.
About sa shoot. Okay, ra.
1,
Okay kayo. Okay kayo.
3. Position ay in kayo.
So as of now, guys, we're still waiting kasi tapos na sa product shot. Product with model na naman ang next. So still waiting. Mga on sabi, guys, gutom na jud. No, bakit hello sir. Kumusta? So snack time.
Mga single. Smile.
Mga single, smile ko no. Dapa. Oh, thank you sa snack.
Singles for sale.
Single person. Clapper. Uy, di lang ko kumuha ng clapper.
Clapper.
Ipanggutom, gid ni sila ay. We're now here on our third set. So, mali ni siya. Earlier, all of the scenes were shoot here. And then, this time, there in the sala, they were able to shoot sa katong sa office. And busy kay atong director and all. And mali siya, ano. So, fourth set. Lights changed. Director. So, on our fourth set.
Dagan. Lakaw. Ato. Desa. Ayaw mo, just
So guys, they're still adjusting the lights because it's really hard to mix lights, guys. Because merong mga shadow na natitira, so kailangan kunin yung mga shadows. So they've been brainstorming sa lighting combination. So ang direct natin nindot ka, oy.
Sir lang.
Nindot ka sa'yo mo. Imo ni mga collection, sir?
Oo, so pa gamay na ko sa una.
Ah,
Gabay-gabay. May siya sa una.
oh, nindot ka.
Uso tang buko.
Wala, nindot ka. Nag-ano, oy.
Ako isa na rin light.
Wala, guys. Grabe na to. Collection. Grabe. Naday mi sa house sa katong owner sa shootan, guys. Nice, guys. Tanang complete set. Wow! Studio naman ni sir.
Sana naman yung Cleo.
Really?
Ito ka nag-Godfather.
Nag-espresso si mo.
Tares. Da, laban lang kita ni.
Bukalder na?
Vocalist vocalist.
Majorette.
Hala, oy. Kamu na ipulingan sa artist. Yawa, da.
We have vlogger sis.
Vlogger sis, tara. Itong model karon. So, this will be our fifth set. Director's choice. Cameraman. Model. Oh, nara ko permisa pala. Oh, dili man mas. Hi guys! So, we're almost done. Tatapusin lang namin yung shot na palakad. Yung model, si Hans Velayo, shout out. So, kasama namin yung model na si Hans Villano. And, ang dami na nilang na nagawa, yung mga scene. So, yung kulang na lang is yung sa store. So, excited. Kasi, guys, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng mga lights nila, guys. By the way, guys, if you have videos na for yung production talaga, commercials, or weddings, prenups, you can contact Kasuma Studios. And they have their Facebook page. You can see their portfolio. And as well as, marami na silang naging clients, guys, na bigatin. And you need to check how they edit, how they work. Super professional. And, super detailed. Full of passion. Talaga kailangang maganda yung shots and everything. So, I'm so happy that I was able to work with them. Okay, again, sir.
Laro ako kung nakita sa YouTube. Ayaw ka pero.
Grabe. Tingawa,
Ako pero.
Amo na yung sudan, guys. Chicken and munggos, tapay fish,
Normal, kapag may trailer.
koy. guys, since it's free time and then I have the opportunity to hold the guitar and di ko kaibaw although mag-practice. It's okay guys, kita na. So all the staff all the crew are resting right now and wala lang. Mag-practice ta. Actually, di ko kaibaw kay taas kay akong kuko, no? Di ko kabaw sa nag-pack up na guys. We're done. Grabe. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Tabian eh.
Pwede na tayo sa hagdanan dad.
Luto. Okay, thank you so much, director. Thank you for having us. Daramong production. Tara.
Niya para i-post niya.
Viva Pit Senyor, dili makita. Okay, alin na niya. Amazing. Gatod pa kid Miss Puente. Laisyo.
Laisyo ka dahil?
Pinangga kayo, it's okay.
Lagi.
Okay.
Hangga kayo. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.